Hello, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth product reviews. Today, we've got something truly exciting to share with you: the GIGABYTE Wi-Fi 6 ePCIe expansion card. If you're looking to supercharge your wireless connectivity, this might just be your next must-have upgrade. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to stay up to date with our latest reviews. Let's kick things off with an introduction to the GIGABYTE Wi-Fi 6E. This expansion card brings the latest in wireless technology right to your desktop. It's equipped with the Intel Wi-Fi 6 GC-WBAX210 module, a powerhouse that delivers exceptional speed and ultra-low latencies, thanks to a dedicated spectrum in the 6 GHz band. It supports dual-stream wireless in not just the 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz bands, but also the exciting new 6 GHz band. With IEEE 802.11, ACR2 Plus AX compliance and a high-speed wireless connection of up to a staggering 2,400 megabits per second, this card is a game-changer. Now, let's talk about GIGABYTE. They're not just any tech company. They're a leader in the industry, known for their excellence in products like motherboards, graphics cards, laptops, mini PCs, and various PC components and accessories. With a keen focus on innovation and quality, GIGABYTE is poised to make waves in business servers and cloud systems. They're all about transforming digital information into economic data, making tech work for you. And that's precisely what they aim to do with the Upgrade Your Life. Speaking of upgrading your life, that's at the core of GIGABYTE's mission. They believe that technology should be tailor-made for you. With innovations like dual BIOS technology for motherboards and the patented ultra-durable line of products designed to outlast the competition, they set high standards. GIGABYTE constantly breaks new ground, offering reliable cloud infrastructure to help businesses optimize their operations and expand in the digital realm. They're not just innovating products, they're innovating your future in tech. Now, picture this: a world where everything is connected. Your phone seamlessly links to the cloud, your city runs on a 5G network that integrates services, your appliances are smart, and AI ensures personalized entertainment. Blockchain is transforming finance, VR powers medical breakthroughs, and more. This future is closer than you think, and GIGABYTE is here to help you embrace it. With their range of products, they're preparing you for tomorrow's trends and developments. They believe in achieving anything we visualize, and beyond. The time to upgrade your life is now. Let's dive back into the GC-WBAX210 for a moment. This expansion card, with its Intel Wi-Fi 6 GC-WBAX210 module, offers blazing fast connectivity. It supports the 6 GHz band, delivers up to 2,400 megabits per second of speed, and comes with fully qualified Bluetooth 5.2. Plus, it's equipped with MU-MIMO technology and pairs perfectly with Aorus's high-performance 2TX2R antenna. Installation is a breeze with its PCIe X1 interface card. And there you have it, folks. The GIGABYTE Wi-Fi 6 GC-WBAX210 PCIe expansion card, your gateway to the future of wireless connectivity. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share your thoughts in the comments below. At Product Critique, we're here to keep you ahead of the tech curve. Stay tuned for more exciting reviews, and until next time, keep exploring and keep upgrading. See you in the next video.